All right, bartenders, before we get going, we're gonna make sure we have everything we need to make a mojito. White rum, whatever brand you want. You can use dark rum too, now you're making a dirty mojito. Simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. This is mint simple syrup. We cook some leaves in there. Shaker tin. Some soda, a muddler, ice. You've got your jigger, your hand-pressed juicer, a strainer, obviously some knives, raspberries, fresh lime juice, fresh mint. We're gonna grab our rum, shaker tin, throw some ice in there, 2 ounces of white rum, whatever rum you want. Because we're at home, quarantine, really as much rum as you want. Simple syrup, 1 ounce. Equal parts sweet and sour. 1 lime is 1 ounce. So with your hand press, a lot of people think that you put the lime on the bubble like that. You actually put it the other way. That's how you're gonna yield the most juice out of that. So 1 full lime. Some raspberry. We're gonna make it a raspberry mojito. Throw a bunch of mint in there. We already used mint syrup, so the extra mint is just a nice touch. Lots of ice in there. You really want to smash those ingredients around. Pack your serving glass. Ideally, you want a Collins glass. Yes, it is named after me. And fill it right to the top with ice. Ice is money, baby. Grab your strainer. Oh, look at that nice pink color. Leave some room for the soda. Any good bartender always leaves a little bit in the shaker tin. Product testing, you know, quality control. I like to put a little slit in the raspberry, put it on the side there. And tonight we're being extra fancy, taking the crown and a paper clip. Straw. And there you are. Raspberry mojito.